Hello everyone. So this is a battery operated automatic trash can I bought from Costco last year. So it is a sensor based trash can. If you just wave your hand, it is going to open the lid and it closes it automatically. And also if there's an issue with the sensor, there are two buttons here that you can use to open and close. So this needs six 1.5 volt AA batteries to operate, and initially when it was new, I have to replace the batteries in almost like 2 to 3 weeks. But recently it started to show some problems and looks like I have to replace my batteries almost 2 times every week. So it was quite annoying to me to replace the batteries multiple times in a week. So in this video I'm going to show you how to take the battery operated trash can apart and how to wire it directly to a wall outlet using a AC adapter. So I have taken out the lid of the trash can, and on the reverse side if you see there is a switch to turn it on and off. Turn it in the off position and the batteries goes here. So if you see here, there are 6 AA batteries. Each AA battery is 1.5 volt. So if you add it up, it's all in a series. So it comes out to be 9 volts. So to operate it on electricity, you need an adapter or a step down power adapter that can produce 9 volts. So I bought this power adapter from Banggood. It is like any regular power adapter. So this produces 9 volt and 1 ampere supply. That is exactly what I want for my trash can to operate. So this one I ordered from Banggood. It took around 2 months to reach me in United States, and the cost was $5 and some cents. So it is really cheap, and if it works, then I think I can completely get rid of the batteries. Okay, so to be able to use this, what I'm going to do is remove all the batteries. So if you take a closer look, the metal plates on this side that connects this series to this series is connected here. So there are 2 terminals here and it goes all the way to the second terminal. There is a positive and there is negative. So to be able to use this with the battery ports, what we'll do is either we can get a female jack for this and connect it to the positive and negative terminals, or we can directly remove this end from the wire and expose the wires and connect the positive and negative terminals directly. So I just want to go the easy way, so I don't have the female jack. So I'm going to remove like 1 inch from the end to remove that socket. We'll get the wire jacket out. It is going to expose these 2 wires, and then what I'm going to do is get some conductor out of this wire. Okay, so now I have exposed the wires, and now I'm going to test it, like what's the output voltage it is producing. .07 volts. That is exactly what I need. Yeah, so hopefully it is going to work. Just to identify the positive and negative ends, I'm using the multimeter, and looks like black is the negative and white is the positive. Positive will go to the positive terminal and the negative will go to the negative terminal. We'll unplug this and then I'm just going to solder them. I'm going to connect the positive side to this terminal and negative on this terminal. Looks like it worked. That's awesome. So to pass the wire through the battery cover, I'm going to make a hole here so the wire can directly pass through this. Perfect. The wire is through, and now I can close the lid and the wire is fitting just right. I hope the video was useful to you. If you like it, like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.